Hey folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales for Berkshire Hathaway Homeservices of Arizona, California, and Nevada, and yes, that's a mouthful. All right, we're just finishing the third week of the year. It's January. Do you know what a January person is? I don't want you to be one of these people. I'm going to tell you a quick little coaching tip. I go to the gym first week of the year, packed. Go to the gym the second week of the year, semi-packed. Go this Monday, right back to normal. Okay, I know that's bad to hear, but it's true. Don't be one of those people. This year has started off busy, hot, things are happening. Keep it going. Let me give you an example. Somebody in my coaching program right now, the average in my coaching program, they're doing about 21 deals a year for about $129,837 on 31 appointments. That's last year's numbers. So if you want to get involved with my coaching, please do so. All you have to do is email my assistant Francesca at bhhsnv.com, okay? Because this is your year, and if it's going to be your year, accountability needs to be the key. Those same people, okay, if they had joined the gym with 6 months prepaid personal trainer, your commitment level is different. You've already spent the money, okay, and you're going to show up. That's what you have to do to yourself. If you're not going to join my coaching, join some coaching, or at least get an accountability. But please, join my coaching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my coaching. This is going to be your best year ever. Don't forget that. Thanks for your time.